Okay, after you put off the genset, make sure you check the oil. The oil level should be okay. Clean the lipstick. Then you put it back. Okay, as you can see, the engine is still hot. That's why the oil is still hanging on the seals and the control drum and all this stuff, the bearings. So we wait for the engine to be cooled down, then we'll confirm the right reading. We get the right reading. Okay, so now you can put back the dipstick. Every time, make sure you must check the oil before starting and after you put off the engine. That's it. The oil looks good. Okay, that's all. That's the other genset that we still working on it. Uh, we need a node job to fix this genset. Those are the parts. These are the parts. So that's the genset. We'll start it soon and we'll show it to you on the other video.